Alright YouTube, so welcome back again. It's a buddy technoboy, and that's the mini LED projector from Portronics. And you've seen this thing in the unboxing and testing video and all. This is a quite good one for to use anywhere, and it's compact. You can even carry it whenever you go somewhere, so that's a nice thing. And also this thing is the smart one, so it has all the smart features with the YouTube, Disney Hotstar, Netflix, and also you don't need any source. You just can turn this projector on and can enjoy the shows of Netflix, YouTube, and all. So in today's video I'm gonna try to open this thing, and you're gonna check inside of it and how all the things are managed, the LED lamp, the circuitry, and the cooling system, and the LCD screen and all. So but the problem is I don't see much screws and notches and anything like that here, so I can open from that side. That is the point. Hope I can open it without damaging this thing. So first of all, I can see a small screw here. Let's open this up. Tiny screw. Here must be one screw on this side, one, and another side would be here, because this thing is mounted and can be you can move it just like this. So let's remove the screws and let's see if that the inside thing comes out or no. Okay, so that's how you need to open this thing. There are notches on both the sides, you can see, and at the front side you need to remove this grill first. Well, I didn't know that. Then two screws are there, one here and on this side here. Let's remove them. And that's how you need to remove the top cover. And now here we can see everything. That's the power supply unit right there. And now let's see. So that's the front side to adjust the lens. That's the wheel. I cannot remove like that. Anyway, let's see if I can remove anything else. And that side here, that's a speaker, I think, and that's the main circuit board, the motherboard, and that's the flat ribbon cable for the LCD display, which is right there somewhere. That's the main power cord, the red and black, coming from this AC power socket, going right there. And from here, that's the DC voltage output power supply going to this circuit board, and all the main chips are there right under this tape, silicon tape or something like that. Yeah, also aluminum tape. And here you can see yellow, black and red wire. These are for coolers. The coolers are there. So here inside you can see that's the aluminum plate, and the LED light is mounted there on the other side of that, and the coolers are there on this side and on this side too. And this thing sucks the air from the front side. You can see sponge kind of mesh is there on both the side, here and right there on both this side. The vents are there, and the vents are covered with the foam kind of thing, so it doesn't suck the dust inside and blow the air from this backside vent right there out. So it sucks from here on both the side the air, and it's blow it out from the backside right there. So now what to do? What to do is let's turn this thing on and check it out. Alright, so it's connected and the power light is on. Let's turn this thing on. And the light is blue. And there you can see it's too close. Still you can read the logo right there, Portronics, and that's the screen. I think it would be 12-inch screen, I think. And now let's take a look inside. As I told you, the back side is blowing the air, which sucks from right there. So here you can see the LED light is right there, the aluminum casing is right there, and it's the LED light is right there, and then the reflector and the LCD screen is here, as the ribbon belt goes right there, right here, and then the lens assembly. So as this is a new thing, so I'm not opening the rest of the circuitry and all right now, because I might damage something inside, so I'll do that later if it is back in some other video. But for now this was the but for now this was the video to show you how this small mini LED projector works. Very compact design, you can see, but a quality branded product with comes with warranty, of course. So that's it. That's all for today. So in the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.